friends? Okay, so let's talk a little bit about controlled rolling. Now, in order for this activity to work, you are gonna need the appropriate equipment. So I kind of went on my own scavenger hunt in my house, looking and hoping to find different kinds of balls to use. All right, so I'm a big soccer player, of course, has my ball. I have my ball hanging around. So this was a nice option. I found myself a dog toy. Don't tell my doggy, but I borrowed it. If you have a Nerf ball, you know, the little Nerf balls that you throw into the basket, that would work. This one's just made of plastic. Tennis ball, if you have a bunch of these laying around, they'll work. Some of you were throwing around, I saw little, kind of like little plastic balls. That would work. They're smallish, but you know what? You gotta use what you can use. A beach ball, a basketball, a regulation size or a kid size basketball, anything that rolls, let's be honest. Find something that rolls and you'll be set. Now, you look around your house, you're like, Coach, I couldn't find anything. Well, I looked online and there apparently is a way to take, and I did it, you take some plastic bags, 2 to 3 at least, okay? And you're gonna smush them up into a ball and then just find some tape. I use painter's tape, you can use any kind of tape, and wrap it up and try to get it as smooth as possible. Now mine's not perfect, right? It's kind of lumpy, but that's gonna add in an extra element of surprise. That's how I'm looking at it. And I'm gonna use this today for our controlled rolling. So if you're like me and you had to make your own ball, that's okay, it was kind of fun. All right, so let me get my music over here. Sorry, I'm seated, I can't move very easily. I'm gonna make sure my picture's in the frame. Yep, looks good. Okay, so let me just put on some musica. Move it over there. So you're gonna take your item, for right now I'm gonna use my tape ball, and I just want you to roll it in front of you. And I want you to keep your fingertips on the object the whole time. Okay, so I'm just rolling it side to side. You can see I'm constantly in contact with the ball with my fingertips. Kind of use my little spider fingertips is what I call it. My eyes are on the ball. Now, whenever I take my eyes off to look at the screen, I always lose it. I always lose control. So my suggestion is keep your eyes on it. All right, can you go as wide as possible? Whoops, without falling over like me. Really wide, kind of stretch that body. Oh, awesome job. Again, keep in control, okay? I don't want you to lose it because when you're seated, then you gotta go play catch and go try to find it. Now, as you get a little better, if you wanna try to roll it across, see if you can keep control of it without having to get up. Awesome, great. How about rolling it around the body? Cool, good job. I'm going the other direction. I'm gonna go the other direction too. I kinda got my spider fingers going. Spider fingers, spider fingers. That's a Simpsons thing. Very good. Now how about to go on the side of your body? Okay, so over here, this is going to be, let's see, your left. So we're working the left side of your body, okay? So over here, we're just rolling it. Again, I'm keeping my fingers in contact. I'm rolling it on the side of my body over here. Now let's see, can you roll it so you lay all the way down? Woo, good. You pick yourself back up. Nice. Let's go to the other side. Again, roll it on the side of your body, keeping it in control, eyes on the ball. And if you want to roll all the way back down again like I did, whoop, and use those abdominal muscles to pick yourself up. Beautiful job. Okay, so let's change my seating a little bit. Right now I've been in what I call the cross-legged position. Let's go to a straddle position. Okay, some of you are gonna be really flexible and be able to straddle far. I'm still working on it. So same thing, we're gonna roll it in front. Now I'm getting a little better and I'm kinda, you notice I'm pushing it and guiding it. So when I roll it, I'm kinda coming over the top of it and stopping it with my hands. Good, very nice. Can you go? This is a flexibility thing. And you're gonna try, I have a difficult time, especially with this soft ball. The idea is to go around the foot. So if I had more flexibility, it would go around my foot and then I continue to roll it all the way around my body. So again, this is something I'm working on. My flexibility right now is not where I'd like it to be, but I'm working on it. It is something you can improve. Roll it all the way around, tracing. Make sure to go the other way. Go the other way, go around the foot, around the side. side. All you flexible people, I'm so jealous of you. Very nice. I'm just gonna roll it over my ankle because that's where I'm at right now. My flexibility, I tell you. Good. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's bend our knees and you can roll it underneath. Woo! See how far over you can get? See if you can roll it so it doesn't hit your legs, right? You can make a wider target. I'm going to show you from the side. You can make a really wide target or you can really challenge yourself and make it narrow. It's totally up to you. Very nice. Okay, now if I take my feet and I open them up a little bit like that, now I can roll it and we kind of do a figure 8 around the feet. See, I'm just rolling it around my tootsies. I'm gonna go the other way, woo! And my fingers are in contact a lot because there's a lot of turning and manipulation of this ball I've got to do. I don't want to get up. I'm lazy, right? I don't want to have to keep getting up and chasing it. So I'm concentrating on that. Very good. Okay, so you could stay seated like this. You can go back to your cross-legged, whatever's most comfortable for you. Now, can you on the side of your body roll your ball in a circle, right? Or any kind of shape. Heck, we've been talking about shapes. If you want to do a square, that's cool. I'm still working on my manipulation skills. My fingertips are on the ball, my eyes on the ball. You can go in opposite directions. And I just lost it. Go on the other side. Because remember, we got to work both sides of our body. So you might find, I'm a right-handed person. So right now we're working on your right. If you're on this side, mirroring me. I'm working on my left though. So my left is a little more tricky. I'm not as accurate. I'm gonna go the other way. So we're just working on rolling, rolling, rolling with one hand, really getting a feel for that ball, right? Feel it on your palm and on your fingertips. Good job. Excellent. Okay, so let's try this one. This one I thought was super cute. I saw it, was can you, let's see how I'm gonna do this. That's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna use my feet, I'm gonna propel myself around in a circle so it looks like this. So I'm spinning on my tushy and I'm rolling the ball around, okay? Let's go the other way. Good. So I've gone both directions. I've gone forward and backward using my preferred hand. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm working my left, see, my left over here, and I'm working that. I'm gonna go the other direction. Very good. So I'm working kind of on my abdominal strength. I'm holding my body up, I'm using my legs to propel myself around. Okay, how about this one? This one I thought was super challenging. So, let me back up so you can see me. Oh, there we go. So, roll while I'm in a plank. That was awesome. I read about this the other day. I said, I'm gonna give that a try. Very nice. You could do your inchworm, where you roll it back to your feet, whoop, and you roll it back out, alternating hands, just like I'm doing. Great job. And that's a really fun one too. Perfect. Okay, and our last silly one is you get to be a little puppy or a kitty, and I want to see how you push that object around using your head or your nose. Right? Meow, meow. All right, I'm gonna push it the other way. That's not so easy. My goodness. Hey, I bet you have a lot of different things you can do. You are so creative. I want to know what you come up with. Have fun rolling your ball around.